Here is how to claim Head of Household filing status in TurboTax. Let's start from your TurboTax account with your current tax return already open. If you are on the main dashboard or another section of the return, stay within the return you want to update before moving forward. Look to the left-hand menu and click My Info. This section contains the personal details that TurboTax uses to determine your filing status and household information. On the Personal Profile page, find your personal information and click Revisit. That opens the part of the return where TurboTax asks the questions connected to your filing situation for the tax year. Continue through the personal information questions until you reach the screen that asks about your marital status for the tax year. Read the available options carefully, then select the one that applies to your situation and click Continue. TurboTax uses this answer, along with your household and dependent details, to evaluate whether Head of Household can be used. After that, go to the Your Household section. Here, make sure your qualifying child or other dependent has already been added to the return. If the dependent is listed, select that person and continue through the follow-up questions. Answer the questions about the dependent's relationship to you, how long they lived with you during the tax year, and who supported the household. These details matter because TurboTax checks whether the person meets the rules connected to Head of Household status. Keep going through the next screens about whether another parent or another person can claim that dependent. Make sure your answers match your actual tax situation, since this can affect whether the dependent qualifies for your return in the way TurboTax needs for this filing status. When TurboTax prompts you for household expense details, answer those questions as well. This includes the question about whether you paid more than half the cost of keeping up your home. Review that answer before you continue, because it is one of the key requirements TurboTax uses when deciding Head of Household eligibility. Based on everything you entered, TurboTax will determine whether you qualify for Head of Household filing status. If your answers meet the requirements, TurboTax will apply that filing status to your return automatically. Before you move on, review your personal information and filing status to confirm that Head of Household is now shown on your return. This final check helps make sure the status was applied as expected and that the household and dependent details are reflected correctly. If you do not see Head of Household listed, go back through the Personal Profile and Household sections and review the answers you entered for marital status, dependent information, support, and household costs. Any one of those answers can affect the result TurboTax gives you. Thanks for watching. Your TurboTax return now shows Head of Household filing status if you qualify.